Hello students, in this video I am going to explain how to understand the concept of the theorem, basic proportionality theorem. Okay, so we know theorem means there will be 5 steps: statement, given, to prove, construction and proof. So for this basic proportionality theorem, the statement is, if a straight line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle will divide the other two sides in the same ratio. So we have to memorize and we have to understand and we have to keep this statement in our mind. Okay, the concept of that. So we can, if we know the concept thoroughly, the concept of the basic proportionality theorem, even we can write the statement by our own. So no problem, we can do it. So if a straight line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle will divide the other two sides in the same ratio statement. Then from that statement we will write the given. So given, in the given, when you write the given, you have to draw the diagram. The triangle ABC, given ABC is a triangle, D and E are on the points, D and E are the points on the side AB and AC respectively. This is the given, given data. ABC is a triangle, D and E are the points on the side AB and AC respectively. Then to prove, what we have to prove? We have to say that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. That is to prove. Then construction. Draw DE parallel to BC. Okay. Draw DE parallel to BC. Then proof. Now proof only I am going to explain. So you understood. Statement, given, to prove, construction, all those things you understood. So now we are going to do proof. See here, angle, this angle ADB, ADE will be equal to ABC, because they are corresponding angle. Similarly, the angles are on the other side. AEB will be equal to ACB. These two angles equal because they are, you have to write the reason, corresponding, since they are corresponding angles, you can write it fully. Then angle A, that is DAE in the triangle, DAE BAC. DAE நாலும் இந்த angle தான், BAC நாலும் இந்த angle தான். சின்ன triangle பார்த்தோம்னா DAE, if you look at the big triangle DAE, here BAC, but both DAE and BAC are representing this angle, so it is a common angle. So இது எல்லாத்தையும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா in the both of the triangle ADE and ABC, all the angles are equal. So triangle ADE and similar to triangle ABC, because A similarity, you can write it fully. Okay, then if they are similar triangle, they are corresponding sides in the same ratio. AD by AB, AD by AB. First we can take it as it is in the book. We can take the first big triangle, பெரிய triangle இது AB. So in the first video we have சின்ன triangle எடுத்துக்கிட்டு denominatorல பெரிய triangle யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கோம். In this video we are going to take the first big triangle. So AB is corresponding to AD, then AC is corresponding, BC is corresponding to DE, AC is corresponding to AE. So ஸோ ப்ரூஃபில் நம்ம என்ன ப்ரூஃப் பண்ணணும், AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. ஸோ இது ரெண்டே எடுப்போம், AB by AD AC, AB AC. ஸோ AB by AD is equal to AC by AE. இது மூணு ஈக்குவலாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா, if all these three are equal, definitely these two will be equal. Okay, then AB can be split into AD plus DB by AD. So this AB can be split, the AB split பண்ணுறோம் எப்படின்னா AD plus DB. Similarly AC can be split into AE plus EC by AC. AE. This AC can be split into AE by AC. Now AD and AE are the common denominator for these two terms. So we will split AD by AD plus DB by AD. Then AE by AE plus EC by AE. So numerator denominator cancel. 1 plus DB by AD, 1 plus EC by AE. So by removing 1 on both sides, ரெண்டு பக்கம் 1 subtract பண்ணிட்டோம்னா DB by AD is equal to EC by AE by taking reciprocal. By taking reciprocal of dB by AD, AD by dB. அப்படியே மாற்றி எழுதுறது. Reciprocal means interchanging the numerator and denominator. Here AE by EC. See, AD by dB, AD by dB. Then AE by EC, AE by EC. Hence it is proved. So this is basic proportionality theorem, Thale's theorem. Okay. So in the converse of the basic proportionality theorem, what we will do, the same step we will follow. Statement given to prove, construction, proof. இந்த 5 ஃபாலோ பண்ணுவோம். அதில் என்ன பண்ணுவோம்னா, we will do it in the converse means we will do it in the reverse order. If a straight line divides the opposite side, divides the two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, the straight line must be parallel to the third side. The Thale's theorem is parallel இருந்துச்சுன்னா same ratioவில் divide பண்ணும் அப்படின்றது Thale's theorem. The converse of the Thale's theorem is same ratioவில் divide பண்ணுச்சுன்னா parallel இருக்கும் அப்படின்றது. சரியா? So it is very simple. So converse you can do by yourself. You have to do it in the reverse order. So proof எல்லாமே புக்ஸில் கொடுத்துருக்கோம். When you look at the book, you just understand the reason why these angles are equal, why they are similar, how we are writing, why these sides are in proportion. So all those things, there is a reason. So we have to understand that reason, then we have to able to prove the theorem. Okay, we have to able to prove the theorem. So similarly, you can do the converse part by yourself. Converse, the statement is the key thing. Statement read பண்ணி அதை புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டோம்னாலே we can do the theorems by ourselves.